Hello friends, welcome to AARU'S. In our today's menu, a protein-rich breakfast recipe that is fluffy layered omelette. To make this, we will separate the egg yellow and egg whites of 4 eggs. Just crack the egg from middle and take out the egg white portion. Keep the egg yellow in the cell of the egg, and this way we will separate all our eggs. Once it is done, we will take the egg yellow portion, beat it nicely with the help of a spoon. Now it's time to add veggies. I'm adding finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped onions, a tablespoon of coriander stamps for crunchiness. You can also use coriander leaves as per your choice. It's time for seasoning. Add salt as required or as per your taste. Some red chili flakes, green herbs or oregano. Mix it. And our first layer is done. Keep it aside. Move to the second. Take egg white, beat it with the help of a whisk till it becomes frothy. You can also do so with the help of an electric beater. We want this stage, so keep it aside. Now move to the cooking portion. Heat a pan, add some butter. Once it melts, add the egg yellow and veggie mixture. Oregano. You can add any seasoning and garnish with some olives. Now cover it and let it cook for around 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. You can always check it in between. Once the bottom becomes brown in color, like this, you can flip it to the half so all the layers are visible in your plate. Garnish it with some sauce of your choice. I have used pasta sauce. Enjoy it with your family and friends.
If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Bye bye till we meet again.